Fifth question, Roman number 1. All of you take that. So what is that? Tell me what they have given. What they have given? Tell.
Degree P of x is equal to degree Q of x.
So we have to take some examples certain way that the P of x degree should be equal to G of x. That is what they are asking. So you can write your own example, anything. You can write hundreds of examples, it is not. But finally, you should show that degree of P of x equals to degree of Q of x. That's all they want. So you can take any examples.
By practice only you can able to solve this question.
So madam will say, for example, let us
Ma'am,
take
Q of x, ma'am. Ma'am, Q of x.
Q of x, not G of x. Q of x. Q.
Q of x. Okay.
Q of x. First one. So now,
see
let you
any
take
polynomial.
any polynomial take.
What?
X cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2.
It is not audible.
P of x.
So let us take.
Say P of x equal to any polynomial.
X cube.
X cube.
Cube. Plus 4x.
Plus 4x.
Minus 3x.
Minus
3x.
3x.
Your choice, anybody you can write. Array,
You
two
can write
extremes are there.
Ma'am, 4x square, ma'am. 4x square.
4x
Okay,
square
this is
minus
your
x.
polynomial, correct?
Square.
See degree.
Yes, ma'am.
Degree is 3, correct?
Highest degree.
Yes, ma'am.
Degree 3. And quotient degree also same, correct? Here, degree of P
Yes.
of x must be equal to degree of Q of x. Our Q of x, degree also 3, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
7x cube. Okay. Our polynomial function is 7x cube plus 4x square minus 3x. Okay. Our Q of x must containing x cube term. That only we get the degree 3. Is it correct or wrong? Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Here degree P of
Yes,
x
ma'am.
is 3.
Yes,
Q of x degree also 3.
Must come 3, that's all. A constant your choice, not required also. Constant means x power 0 term is 0. That's all, Nitinath. X power 0 term is not there.
This is also one polynomial, correct? We can write infinite number of polynomials. Do division 7x cube plus 4x square minus 3x divided with. Here we have to get the x term in quotient, correct? X cube term. Padmashri, do you understand?
Respond, yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes,
See,
sir.
something we have to make a polynomial that finally the degree of P of x equals to degree of Q of x. That's all. So that is what. So you can make any example of it your own. So but finally Q of
Here
x
degree
degree also
3
should
and
come 3.
this degree also same.
So now divisor we should find, no ma'am.
Divisor.
Yeah.
What is our divisor?
It can start with x, no ma'am.
3.
See, 7x cube by x cube. How much? 7 times. So our divisor is 7.
7, ma'am.
7,
7,
correct?
okay.
So divisor is 7. Our polynomial is this one. Quotient 7 divided with polynomial. Here we
1
get.
minute, ma'am, I will copy.
Okay, you can go.
Like one more example also madam will say, don't worry. So now you do the division process. Any example you can make, your choice, understand. But you have to get finally, understand. Sir, here R should become 0, ma'am. It's not a rule like that. Kevin,
Not mentioned, correct?
it is
R
not a rule.
R should not.
Your choice, Kevin. They are not saying that R should
Only
become
here
0 or
mentioned
not.
degree of P of x
That's
equal to Q of x
So
only.
here R will become 0 or not doesn't matter. Only we have to concern about degree of P of x and degree of Q of x. Understand, Kevin?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is. So do it now. Solve it all of you.
See one more
Ma'am,
example.
as answer what we should write, ma'am? Quotient.
Quotient, do division, then find the quotient. Quotient term must containing x cube, correct?
No, ma'am, answer what I should write, ma'am.
Answer you should write this too.
P of x, polynomial function, this one, and Q of x. Here we get one quotient.
I
Correct?
should divide and can I write, ma'am?
Divide 7. Then you get the quotient, some quotient. Suppose you take one polynomial, x square, 3x square minus 4, minus 3. This is our polynomial. Okay? P of x. One more example. P of x equal to 3x square minus 3. Do you understand? Our Q of x. What is the degree of Q of x? Please respond.
Q of x also should come x square, correct? Ra? If I will take that is the example. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So Q of x term, Q of x containing x square term, correct? Here degree 2, here degree 2.
So then only that
So
both
P
degrees
of
are
x,
equal.
3x square minus 3 divided with some divisor. Here we get the quotient. Quotient must containing x square terms. When we will get x square, it is 3x square. This one, 3x square, first term, divided with quotient x square. How many times? 3 times, correct? Do you understand or not?
Yes.
So
Yes, ma'am.
3 is our divisor. Okay? 3 into x square, 3x square. Next subtraction. This term get cancelled. Next term bring down. Minus 3. 3 how many times to get? Minus 3.
One time.
Minus 1. Minus 1.
One time. So
Minus
minus
1.
is minus 1. This is our quotient.
So finally you can write the answer.
Quotient is x square minus 1 and
P of x.
P of x equal to 3x square minus 3.
That is the example. That's all. Do you understand, Ra?
This is one more example.
All of you?
Do you understand? Here degree of Q of x and P of x both are same. Both equal, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Like these examples you have to write for first.
You can write infinite number of examples.
So many examples you can write. Understand?
By practice only you can able to solve this question.
So like that, second question. Second question, see what they are saying. Degree of Q of x which is equals to degree of R of x they are asking.
Degree of
Write that question all of you. Degree of Q of x. Degree of Q of x. Q of x, not P of x now.
degree of Q of x
Which is equals to what? All of you say. Degree of Q of x equals to degree of R of x.
Degree of R of x.
R of x.
So you may check it now. Coefficient and that both the fact that degree should come same. So any example you can say, which you have studied already. Any example you can form now own. So let us see. For example, let us take.
take P of x equal to any example 7
X plus 1. X plus 1, ma'am. X plus 1.
x plus what 3x cube or 5x square plus 7x. This is our polynomial. Whatever you take P of x. Say any example for P of x. Your own example P of x. Say anyone P of x.
Anything you can take, yeah, but Q of x and R of x both degrees should become same. So whatever example you will form, finally you should show that Q of x and R of x degree is same.
R of x is same.
Tell me any example.
Suppose here degree of Q of x is 1 and degree of R of x equal to 1. It means 1 means in terms of x, correct? Q of x also in terms of x. Correct or wrong? Do you understand? Give response.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Suppose you take degree Q of x equal to 1, degree Q R of x equal to 1. Okay. It means in terms of x. Both R of x and Q of x. When we will get x term quotient, this term divided with x. It is x square, correct? 3x
Yes, ma'am.
by x. It is x square. 3 3x square or x square. Correct? So take divisor is in terms of x square. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Solve that example now.
X square. Take one more example. X square minus 2 divided with this equation 3x cube plus 5x square plus 7x. How many times x square? This is 3x cube. How many times?
Three x.
3x cube by x square. It is 3x times
Three x, ma'am.
x. It is 3x cube. Next one 2 into 3x. 2 into 3x
Minus 6x.
minus 6x.
Minus 6x.
Minus six.
Fraction. This is minus become plus.
Minus
First term get cancelled. Next term right answer is
5x squared.
5x square plus 13x.
plus 13x.
13.
Here x square. Here we have to get the 5x
Plus
square.
5.
How many times?
Plus 5.
Plus 5 times. 5x
Plus 5.
square by x square. It is 5x times plus 5. 5x square.
5 squared.
Minus 2 into 5
Minus 10.
minus
10. Minus 10.
Here there is no constant term, correct? Take 0. Is it okay? Next subtraction.
Okay. ma'am.
Plus become
13x.
minus,
Plus minus.
minus
Minus become plus.
First term get cancelled. Next term
Cancel. 13x.
13x.
Plus 10.
It is 0.
Minus.
So you may see
Here
0 kaadu, plus 10, plus 10.
plus 10.
So plus
This is
10.
plus 10.
Now you may observe here, the power is already less than, what is this?
Quotient.
Coefficient. Is it yes or no?
Question.
But not
So-
satisfied our condition. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Not satisfied. Quotient equal to in terms of x. Correct? So degree equal to 1.
One.
That
R of x
R of x equals to also how much degree?
R of x degree
One.
is equal to 1.
1.
So that these two you can write. This is the example you can write for that one. Do you understand, Ra? And you can prove this. Like this, you can take your
Yes,
own
sir.
example. So now you can see here, I have divided the 3x cube plus 5x square plus 7x. This is my own example. I have divided with something and I fixed mind first itself. I fixed that q of x and r of x. Let me take degree should come 1. Do you understand, Ra? Your choice it is. You may think here it should come 2 and here also then must come 2. Do you understand, all of you? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So like that I have fixed
Yes,
my
sir.
own example. So
Yes.
something which I have divided so that I used to get the q of x and r of x, both the degree is same. So you can see here 13x plus 10. So degree is 1. Here 3x plus 5. Degree is 1. So that I can write p of q of x equals to r of x. Is it yes or no? All of you? Do you
Yes,
understand?
sir.
Now
Yes, sir. Yes.
this is the second one. All of you, third one. Third one, right? Third one, what they are saying, Ra? What is that? What they are saying, third one?
Degree R of x is
Degree
equal
R
to
of x
0.
Must be equals to
Degree
0.
R of x is equal to 0.
Now, till now in a 2.3, 2.4, so many equations we have solved. Where R will become 0? That example directly you write it.
degree of
Already we have solved. Suppose you see first question today what we have solved. This equation. Have you remembered this one? Fourth question. Fourth question and as well as third
Yes,
question.
sir.
Third question not. Fourth question. Do you remember fourth question, all of you?
Yes, sir. Fourth question, sir.
The fourth question you can see here. From here you may observe x minus 2. If you divide x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2. What is the R of x? R of x
Remainder is 0.
R of x.
Remainder is 0.
degree
0.
of R of x equals to what?
Degree means 0 into x power something. Constant into x power
Ah.
0.
So like that
Suppose
anywhere.
if may get here 9. 9. In this case also R of x.
R of x
Degree of
equals to
R of
R
x
of x is
equal
equal
to
to
0.
0.
That is.
It
So
means
like,
reminder we should contain
reminder should
constant.
contain any constant.
any constant.
0.
Reminder should contain any constant or 0. Do you understand? So like that any example you form it, all of you. Form it all of you. Any example your own you can form. Let us take for example. For example, you take all of you. Right. For example, 3x cube plus 5x square minus 6x plus 7. So let us take the g of x equals to x minus 1. All of you solve it, and r of x, how much it is? Tell me fastly. X minus 1. All of you take. This is my example. So now solve it and tell me the what is r of x degree. Fastly, do it fastly. R of x degree I want. Let me see who will say first. Tell me, see who will say what is the degree of r of x.
Sir,
9 is the remainder, sir.
9 is the reminder, sir.
What is the yeah? Speak. What is that?
Sir, your
Sir,
voice
9 is the reminder. Sir, 9 is the reminder.
What is that? Minus 1 into 2. You can check it. Madam is doing minus 2. Minus 2. So my
Sir,
9.
9 is the reminder.
So 9. What is the degree of it? What is the degree of it? 9 is a constant. So what is the degree of it? Degree of r of x equals how much? Which is equals to
0.
0. That's
Zero.
all.
0, 0.
Into x
Yeah.
power 0.
Zero. So
Degree
degree
means
equals to-
variable power, correct?
that is.
So degree equal to 0.
So can I write this is the example of r of x equals to 0? Can I write it or not? Padmavarshini, do you understand Prahasini?
Yes,
Like
sir.
this. So in exam they may ask you, understanding? Nitinath, Pranav, do you understanding? They will ask you something like
Yes, sir.
g of x equals to, understanding, r of x, or p of x equals to q of x, or r of x equals to 0. By the time you can give such a one example that by the time we will practice hundreds of questions, not an issue. So any one example you can write, you can remember r of x equals to 0. Any one example you can remember in mind and directly you can write that. That's all. Do you understand, Ra? So no confusion at all. You can take in any example, Kevin, I am saying you, but finally what condition should be satisfied. Understanding what the condition they have given.
If not satisfying means
Yeah, if
again
not
you solve.
satisfying, you take one more example and you solve it. But better, my suggestion is exam we cannot go for a trial and error method. Understanding, so that you can by heart one example for one thing. It is good for us. Is it what I am saying? Is it correct or not? I love you. So that is what you may remember.
Okay,
But
sir.
because they may give you the exam question also. That is why. So this is all about the today's class. Now you can keep heading for NTSC and we practice some more questions. Understand? That is. Proceed now. All of you be active at least in NTSC.
First question, NDSC. Find the
All of you right.
number of zeros at the end of product. Question is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9 into 10. Find the number of zeros at end of the product. It means suppose after multiplication you may get 5,000. How many zeros last? How many zeros at end of the product? How many zeros?
3 0.
3 zeros. Answer is 3. Suppose you may get 200. At end, how many zeros?
2 0. 2 0.
2 zeros. Answer is 2. Like that, you can solve this question.
All of you take your own time and solve that. All of you do the division and tell the how many number of zeros after multiplying this 1 to 10. Fastly tell. Do it. Take your time and solve. No issues. Everybody.
2 0.
At last, how many zeros?
2
2
zeros.
0.
2 zeros. Next. Any other?
1 0.
1 0.
1 0. Next. Take your time and again you can check it.
Any other answers?
And 3 zeros.
3 zeros.
Wait, somebody is sending answer.
No, ma'am. 2 zeros, ma'am.
3 0.
Ma'am,
Akshay,
2
take
zeros,
three
ma'am.
zeros.
Ma'am,
2
2
zeros.
zeros.
Okay.
Ma'am, 2 zeros.
Now you can see. So it will take more than 1 minute, correct or not?
2 zeros.
Yeah, more than 1 minute it is taking, correct?
See shortcut.
Shortcut you can use now.
See, zeros. Zeros nothing but that number multiplied with tens, correct? 20 means 2 into 10. Is it correct or wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
That number must containing tens. 200 means 2 into 100. 100 is 10 into 10. It means that number must containing tens. Is it okay? Say yes or no.
Ma'am, say from first, ma'am.
Suppose 20. Your answer is suppose 20. 20 divide 20. How to write 22 into 10? How many zeros? 1 0. It containing 110. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
200. 200 means
contains how many? 2
how
into
many
100.
tens? That number must
2
contain
into 100.
tens only. We get 0. Correct? That number must containing tens. Do you understand? 200.
Yes, ma'am.
So when we will get 10 factors. See 10 factors.
2 into 5.
2 into 5. Correct? 10 factors. 2 into 5.
And 1 into 10 also.
Check how many 2s, how many 5s. Given number, given product. How many 2s? 1, 2. 3 means no 2 and no 5. 4. How many 2s?
Ma'am, why, ma'am, we are taking factors of 10?
See, I will explain. Listen. Suppose if we take 20, how many zeros are there? How many zeros are there? 20. How many zeros are there?
1 0, sir.
Take
10
20.
Zero, sir.
Say 20, I can write a product of 2 into 10, which is equals to how many zeros? 1 0, correct? Like in the
Zero.
same way, if you'll observe, 200, if you'll observe, how many zeros are there? 200.
2 zeros.
200
Zeros.
means, which I can write a product of tens. Tens, how I can write? 2 into 10 into 10. Is it yes or no product of?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
or no?
sir.
Suppose if we'll take a 5,000. So 5,000 means how many zeros? 3 zeros. How you are saying? 5
5
into
into
10
10
into 10 into 10. Product of
into
tens. Will product of tens only will gives you zeros. Is it yes or no? Yes?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
3
sir.
zeros are there. Same way in this given question. Given question is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9 into 10. Now, please kindly find how many 2 factors and 5 factors are there. Because which will give you 2 5s are 10. Correct or not? That is the factors of 10 we want. Correct or not? So each 10 will give you 1 0. Is it true or not? Each 10 will give you 1 0 or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, so like that you just find it. So 2 here 1 2 is there. So 2 power 1. Here 4 is there. So 4 is the product of
2
how
power
many?
2.
So 2 comma 2 zeros. Now 5 1 5 is there. Next 6. Is it a product of 2s?
2 into 3. So
2 into
consider
3.
2
1.
into 3.
2 into 3.
Yes,
So
sir.
consider 1 2. Do you understanding? Next 7 nothing is there. Next 8 is a product of whom?
Yes,
How
sir.
many
2
twos?
into 2 into 2.
2 into
2
2
into 2 into
2. 3 twos. Next 9 not there.
No, sir.
Next
Oh,
No,
okay.
sir.
10 how many?
5
2
into
into 2 into 2.
2 into 5.
2 into 2 into
Now,
25.
How many 2 into 5 sets here?
how many 2 into 5 sets are there? Observe very carefully.
When we will get 10,
How
the
many
number
possibilities?
must containing 2 into 5. 2 along with 5 only we get the 10. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
So how many
Suppose
sets are there?
one more 2 is there.
Only
2
one is there,
into-
ma'am.
Suppose see 2 into 2 into 5. Here how many zeros we get? 2 into 2 4. 4 5s are 4
1 0.
20.
only.
20, ma'am.
1
20.
5. Only one set of 2 and 5. We get only 1 0. Correct? Only one set of 2 and 5.
So now see in this we have a 2 sets of 2 and 5. You may observe here. We may have more number of 2s, but here 1 2, let us consider 1 2 and 1 5, and here 1 2 and 1 5. So that what is happening here, 2 into 5 10 will come, here 2 into 5 10 will come. So that how many zeros will be there at the product?
How many sets?
How
2
many
into
sets? 2 sets are there, so that 2 zeros will come. That's all. That is the answer. Do you understand, Ra?
Yes, sir.
That is, see here you can see the products of 2's. How many are there? 2's. All of you tell me. 2's. How many are there? Tell me fastly. 2 many. How many are there? 2. 2 into here. 2 into
2 8s.
2 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. So this is what the. So we have to set off 5 into 2. So how many sets are there? The extra is there. We have to leave it. So this is one set we have. And here one more set we have. So 2 sets we have. So that at the end of the product we have 2 zeros. That's all. Do you understanding, all of you?
Yes,
Suppose if 3 sets will come. Understanding? Suppose if 3 sets will come. 2 into 5,
whole power
2 into 5, 2 into 5. Like the 3 sets will come. Then at the end of the product, how many zeros will come?
3 zeros.
3 zeros will come. Do you understanding, all of you? Understanding? Suppose you see. Suppose you see, madam, like this also may come. Suppose 2 into 5 into 5 is like this will come also. You may check it. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are how much? 25 2s are
50.
how much it is?
50.
50. Means how many zeros are there? Only 1 zero. Correct or
Here how
not?
many
1
sets?
0.
Only 1 set.
Because here we have only one set of 2 into 5. Correct or not? Here 5 is extra. 5 is extra, but we don't care it.
Don't
Understand?
consider the extra 5.
Understand? Only we will consider 2 into 5 set. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
That
Yes,
is.
sir.
So one more
So
example.
one more sum like this, sir.
5
Yeah.
into
So write the next sum. All of you, you will understand it. 5 into
10 into
10 into
15 into
15 into
20 into
20 into
25 into
25 into
30 into 35.
30 into 35. Please, all of you do fast. Let me see who will do fast.
The number must containing 2 and 5.
2 and
Both,
5
that
must
only.
both should contain. That is what you should remember. Fastly,
How-
mind you can calculate. 10 is a what? 10 is a what?
2 into 5.
5 into 2.
5. Next, 15 is a what?
25.
15 is a what?
5 into 3.
So madam, explain. You see.
See, how many 5s here? 5 1. Here 10. 1 5 1 2.
2
Correct?
10.
15.
Yes, ma'am.
5 into 3.
1
Don't
5 1
consider
3.
Correct?
One
Only
five, one
consider
And
5.
3 zeros.
Wait. 20. 20 means 4
1 5
5s.
5
4
into
5s
2 into
means in 4 2 2
5
square.
into 2.
2 square
Yes,
into
ma'am.
5. This one.
5 into 2.
Ah.
Next 25 5 into 5.
So 2 5s.
6.
Right.
6 5s. 6 5s. In 6 also 1 2 is there. Correct? 6 5s. In 6 also 1 2 is there. It is 2. 2 3s.
And
Don't
4
consider the 3. 2 into 5.
4 0.
Here,
4 0.
wait. 35.
7 into 5.
7 5. Don't
7
consider
into
the
7
7.
into 5, ma'am. Here, not 2.
See, here more.
3 zeros, ma'am.
Here more.
Right. Down you write down.
How many 5s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8 5s are there.
5 power 8. How many 2s? 1, 2, 3, 4.
3.
2 power 4.
4. So only how many? 8 minus 4.
We will make how many sets?
4.
Only 4 sets we can make, right?
2 into 5 power 4 sets. Less number. Take less number.
That's all. Correct or not? So
How many
zeros?
sets? Total 4 zeros.
4 zeros, ma'am. 4 zeros.
4 zeros.
4 zeros.
How many zeros?
See here. Here 5s are more.
How,
Correct?
sir? 4 zeros.
Ma, here how many possibilities you can make, ma? 5s, how many are there, Padmosini? How many 5s are there? How
8,
many 5s are
sir.
there? So 8 5s.
Eight.
Correct? So 8 5s. 5 into 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 5. 8. Correct or not? Now,
Yes,
same
sir.
way, how many 2s are there? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
How many sets, sir? How many possibilities you can make? 5 into 2, 10. 1 10. Next, another 5 into 10, one more 10. Next, another 5 into 10, one more 10. Next, another 5 into 2, one more 10. So totally 4 zeros only will be possible. So we can write only 2 sets, 4 sets we can write. Understanding? Extra 4 5s are there. So which is we don't consider because 2s are not there. Understanding? So now 10 zeros will come. So 10 10s will come means how many zeros are there? 4 zeros. That's all. Understand, Padmosini?
See this question again.
Okay, sir.
See.
Wait. Somebody messages. Do you understanding now how to find it? Instead of we should not go multiplication. Are you understanding, everybody? So you have to write only
Okay.
2 into power. That is next.
See this.
Hmm.
5, 10, 15, 20, up to 35. These are the 5 multiples, correct? These are the 5 multiples, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
That is 5 table, correct? Ra?
5 table, ra? Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Do it now.
It means which is more? 5 is more or 2 is more? 5 table. Which
5 is more.
5 is
more,
5 is
correct? So in this case, we take less number of, less means 2, correct? 2 is less. First find the 2's. How many 2's?
How many 2s are there?
Simplify the trick also. Here trick also somewhat complicated, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So 10 only we get the 2, correct? 2. 20, how many 2's?
20, how many 2s, Ra?
4 5's. In 4, 2 2's, correct?
2
into
zeros.
2.
2 twos.
Next
25,
question.
no 2's. 30, how many 2's? 6 5's. In 6, 2 3's. So 1 2, correct? How many 2's? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 zeros.
That's all. Okay. 1 0, ma'am. Oh, okay. Next
Okay, sir.
Yeah, now all of you solve one more question. 2 into 4 into 6 into 8 into 2 table, Ra.
No.
Kevin is asking.
Next. I will
okay.
give next.
Madam is giving one more sum. Solve it now.
Next question. 8 into 15 in 8 into 15 into 23 into 17 into 24 into 22 into 11 into 4 into 7 into 6.
Solve this
Find
fastly.
the
How many zeros at the end?
end.
Do it fast. How
Find
many
the
zeros
number
at
of
the end?
zeros at end of the product. How many zeros?
Write only the factors.
No.
Rated by factors you can write.
This is 11. Say your answer.
No zeros.
So 8 you can write as a 4 into 2.
See, in this product, which is more? 2 or 5? Which is more? See, normally. Generally, we say, which is more? 2's or 5's? Which is more? 2's or 5? Which is more?
2 is more, ma'am.
2's more. So don't consider the 2's. First count the 5's only.
5
Ma'am,
7.
only 1 0, ma'am.
Only 1 5. Correct? 15 means 3 5's.
1 0, ma'am. 1 0, ma'am.
Here, we will make only
Ma'am,
1
1
0
0.
set. 2 into 5 set, 1
1
set. Correct?
That's all. So only 1 0.
Only 1 0.
How fast you have solved? Do you understand, Ra?
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Take
sir.
less number of less value, 2 or 5. Next question.
Do you understand this question, all of you?
Yes, sir.
This is very important, Ray. If you do normally multiplication and if you find zeros, how much time it will take, you see. If you write the sets of pair of 2 into 5 also very difficult. So everywhere we are observing here 2 is there, here 2 is there, here 2 is there. So we know that so many 2 pairs will come. Is it yes or no? 2 will come. But here 5 is very less. So only one factor we can write. 15 is in the form of 5's. So that only one pair we can form. So 1 0 at the end. If you want, you can multiply and verify. Only 1 0 will come. Is
See
it
one
okay?
more question. Next question. 1 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 9 into 11 into 30 into 15 into 17 into and so on up to 99. Find the number of zeros at end of the product.
Let
Say
me see
your
who
answer.
is asked.
Answer.
And 2 0, 2 0.
2 zeros.
2 0.
Any other answers? 2 zeros. Here, which is more, 2 or 5?
Ma'am, no 0.
No 0.
No 0, ma'am.
No 0.
Ray, what is that, Ray? Check it.
See, all odd numbers, correct?
Yes, ma'am. So no
Yes,
2
ma'am.
will come.
No 2, correct? 5s
Yes,
are
ma'am.
there. 5s are there. But no 2. The number must containing 2 and 5 only we get the 10, correct? Here there is no 2. So number of zeros are 0. No zeros. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
With this I will stop here.
You understand the last question, huh? Here see no more 2
Yes,
is
sir.
present, correct or
2
not?
does not exist.
So 2 does not exist. It is because 2 is not a factor of any of these numbers because all these are odd numbers, correct? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So now in the same way, if you write even numbers, then there is no 5 will be existed, correct?
Suppose you take
Yes,
Even
sir.
number 5 will be existed, right?
no
2 5 correct.
10 also there.
10 also there. So that is why. So by the time it won't come. By the time it won't come. But odd numbers alone, we can say there is no 2 existed, so that there is no pair of 2 into 5. So that how many number of zeros will come?
0.
0. That's all. So now, like this, if you take even numbers, it won't possible. We remember only it is for odd numbers because even numbers, so many are factors of 5. Understanding? 5 4s are 20, 5 6 are 30. Like that, 5 will come so many times. Understand, Ray? So by the time it won't come. So only for odd numbers alone it is 0. Very good. Those who said 0, very good. 2 who said Kevin? Do it now. Kevin wants one more question.
No, sir.
Okay, so this is all about this today's class. So this is one of the important one in NTSC thing. Understanding finding number of zeros. So all of you have to remember it and you have to solve it. Understand, Karthikeyan?
Write the shortcuts.
Shortcuts and all you have to remember and you have to maintain separately. Don't throw it in dustbin.